The phrasal verb take on has several meanings. The most common meaning is to accept or undertake a task, responsibility, or challenge. It can also mean to employ or hire someone, or to confront or face a difficult situation or opponent.
I took on the role of team captain for the basketball tournament.
Can you take on the responsibility of organizing the event?
She took on the challenge of climbing the treacherous mountain.
We took on a new employee to help with the workload.
He took on the daunting task of renovating the old mansion.
Can you take on the role of babysitting my kids tonight?
I took on the challenge of learning a new language.
She took on the responsibility of managing the project.
We took on a difficult client to expand our business.
Can you take on the task of researching the market trends?
I took on the challenge of writing a book in a month.
He took on the responsibility of caring for his aging parents.
We took on the task of organizing a charity event.
Can you take on the role of leading the presentation?
I took on the challenge of running a marathon.
She took on the responsibility of mentoring the new employees.
We took on a skilled engineer to join our team.
Can you take on the task of fixing the broken computer?
I took on the challenge of solving a complex puzzle.
Take on